Hey everyone, want to shop online or pay for ads using Payoneer? A virtual card is the perfect solution, and here's how you get of your own. So first of all, you have to log into your PayPal account by clicking on sign in and give the credentials like email and password. And after that, you have to go to cards section. Once logged in, navigate to the cards, tap in the top menu on mobile, tap the more menu, and then select cards. And after that you have to click order a card and select order a card and choose virtual card as the card type. Payoneer may offer different currencies like USD, euro, or GBP, uh, like the pound, and pick one you need. You must have received at least one payment into your Payoneer account to be eligible for a virtual card. So after that, you have to fill out the form like confirm your billing address, personal info, submit the request. You'll receive confirmation when your card is ready, usually within minutes to a few hours. And after that, you have to access and use your card only approved. Your Once approved, your virtual card will appear in your account. You can view the card number, expiration date, and CVV under the card section and use it for online purchases like subscriptions or ad payments, just like a physical card. No waiting for shipping. And you can also enable 2FA for added security and make sure your card balances matches your planned payments to avoid declines. That's it, you are ready to go with your Payoneer virtual card in 2025. Simple, secure, and fast. See you on the next video.